The height of the proximity sensor plays a crucial role in ensuring print quality. If the sensor is positioned either to high or to low, printing failure may occur. In the video provided, the sensor is set to high, causing it to detect the print bed too late. This delay results in the nozzle colliding with the platform. To adjust the sensor height, rotate the coupling until the nozzle gently touches the bed. Loosen the screws securing the sensor and move it up or down as needed. The sensor should be positioned approximately 1 millimeter higher than the nozzle. While adjusting, observe the indicator light. The red light signals that the sensor has detected the bed. Once the height is properly set, tighten the screws. After completing this adjustment, please remember to fine-tune the Z offset. For additional guidance, you may refer to the video titled How to Adjust Z Offset.